Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name easily by using your mobile phone. Actually, when we create YouTube channel, that time we gave some random name, right? And in later maybe we don't like that name, and that's why we need to change that YouTube channel name by using our phone. So don't worry, if you follow my video, that time I will show you how to change your YouTube channel name by using your mobile phone. And after changing your name, you need to do two settings in your channel, otherwise your channel won't be ranked. I mean, you will not find your channel in search result. Okay, so I will show you both. I mean, changing name option and need to do two settings. I will show you both. So before starting the video, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, you will need to go to Play Store and then make sure your YouTube application is already up to date. So after updating your YouTube application, just click here open option, and then you need to log in your YouTube channel into this YouTube application. Okay, so you can see there is my profile icon, I mean channel icon. So let me click on it, and after that you can see this is my channel. So let me click here your channel option. Okay, actually this is my new channel, you can subscribe it for getting more videos. Okay, I will also connecting in here. Okay, so whatever, after coming it in here, then click here a pen icon. Okay, and after that you will see your name, channel name option in here. So just tap here pen icon and then choose a specific name. Okay, don't choose random name, just let me choose this name, Saiful iTech. Okay, this is actually uncommon name. So after giving your name, you can see in here you can change your name twice in 40 days. Okay, you can change 2 times in 40 days. Okay, so whatever, after giving your name, just click here save option and wait for a few seconds, and you can see I just changed my name Saiful iTech. Okay, so after changing your name, you need to do two settings. Okay, so you can see in here handle, so just tap on that icon and just choose here your handle. Okay, Saiful iTech, and I can add any number 124. Okay, so after doing that, just click here save option and wait for a few seconds, and you can see I just changed this handle. Okay, and after that you need to do another setting. You need to go to Chrome browser or any other browser. Okay, so now type here www.youtube.com. okay, actually you need to do these settings, otherwise your channel won't be ranked, you will not find your channel in search result. Okay, so after that just click here three dot line and then click here desktop site, and you can see I have got already login my channel in here. This is my profile icon, I mean channel icon. So let me click on that icon, and then you can see YouTube Studio option, right? So just tap on it, and after that in the bottom you can see one settings gear. Let me show you. There you can see one settings gear, right? So let me click on that setting gear, and after that click here channel option, and then you can see in here keywords. This is very important. If you don't give your channel keyword, then your channel won't be ranked in search result. Okay, so let me change this keyword through my new channel name. So let me give Saiful iTech, and after giving it, just click anywhere else, and you can see this keyword already saved. So you can give another more keyword. Okay, so after giving that, just click here save option, and your channel will be ranked when someone searches. So this is it, guys. So by this easiest process, you can change your YouTube channel.